Hey guys, my name is DaySeeker847 and I'm going to be showing you how to run DirectX11 games on a DirectX10 graphics card. So right here, let's see, I would double click on this, it would start to load, and then I would be clicking yes, calling myself Discord, and it'll be running, and then in a second here you're gonna see a pop-up message that will say your graphics card does not support DirectX 11 features. Alright, so it will pop up like that, and then it will say your graphics card does not support DirectX 11 features. So this is how to fix it. If you are running a DirectX10 graphics card, just be prepared that your game won't run smoothly and it might not be playable. But I'll just gonna show you this anyway. So right again, what you want to do, right, click here, tap here to search. You want to type in DXCPL, and this will be this one. You want to click that. It'll ask you to download and stuff. Right now, it's gonna say, do you want to allow this app to make changes to this? And then once you're done downloading it, this should pop up. So right now, what you want to do now, you want to click edit list. You want to click the three dots here. Alright, but before you do that, what you want to do, let's put this down. Here, next, you want to right click on this game, the game you want to play. You want to go to properties, you want to go to local files, and then right here you want to go browse local files, and you want to see where you're going to find this sort of your game files. So you want to go PC, local disk, program files, Steam apps, common, and that. Oh no, it's not you, Siri. Siri, calm yourself. Alright, so you want to go back here to DX, and then you want to click edit list. You want to click the three dots right here, and then this, well, I don't know, for me it just pops up, but right away you just want to follow sorry, you want to follow this. So you said you want to go local disk, program files. So it's gonna be different for everyone, guys. So I'm just doing for me program files x86. So right there, double click on that. Then now you want to go to Steam. You want to Steam right there. Then you want to, it says you want to go to Steam apps, which is, where is it? Oh, right there. And then it says you want to go common. Oh no, common. And then you're going to click the game. So Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six, and you're going to click this one. So you want to double click that, and then you want to click add, and then you want to click OK. So now this shouldn't be paid anymore, and all you just want to do is click force warp. Now I don't know what this does, but just click it, and yeah, that's basically it. So if you just want to copy the things I have, but you should probably check is this force warp. You want to click apply, you want to click OK. You can X out of this, close this, and now once you double click that, click yes, your game should be running. So I'll show you guys my game is about to start. Disclaimer though, again, it's not gonna run smoothly since you're using a DX10 or lower So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like, subscribe for more. This is how to run DirectX11 games on your DirectX10 capture card, or what is it? Okay, what? Your graphic card. But yeah guys, hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like, subscribe for more, and see you guys in the next video. Alright, peace out. Yeah guys, it works. Alright guys, leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, like the video so this comes out to more people, and see you guys in the next video. Peace out again.